Hi there, how are you doing today? We're going to thoroughly explore how to effectively track a return reference number, and you'll find that this entire process is actually pretty straightforward and quite simple to follow. We're going to begin by logging into our chosen platform. For instance, it could very well be Amazon, and then we will carefully scroll down the page until we locate where our personal profile is clearly displayed. Here within our profile section, we are specifically going to look for this particular option that is clearly labeled as Your Orders. We will then proceed to click on that option, and once inside we will diligently search for the specific product that we have previously returned, for example this particular item right here. And well, what we are going to do next here is quite straightforward and easily understandable. We're going to meticulously locate this specific section and then click on it. When we click here, we will then be able to clearly see the entire return process laid out before us. And here we can observe that it is almost entirely complete, and that's essentially all there is to it. If this video has genuinely helped you in any way, please take a moment to comment below and also subscribe to our channel.